So hello there, this is Srivasa Gavarsetti, and I want to say that in the previous video where we have discussed all these examples, I have just missed one of the production, and the symbol B should be included with ACD. We have solved this example, and again I have took this example to explain you where I have made that, and we will calculate follow for this following production rules. Okay, and by the end of this video we will know how to calculate the follow, and these examples are enough, and you can practice more examples for more confidence in this concept. So let's get started and calculate the follow of each and everything. So we know, and we have discussed in the previous video, how to calculate the follow of each and every symbol, that is every non-terminal. So first, this is dollar. Obviously for start symbol we have discussed that the follow of start symbol is dollar, that is fixed, and check the presence of S anywhere on the RHS. So there is no presence of S in the RHS, so dollar is only the symbol, that is the final one. Now take follow of A. Follow of A, check the presence of A on the right hand side. So A is there and followed by a small a. So small a is the follow of this. And coming to this one, follow of B. Follow of B, check the presence of B in the RHS. So after B there is nothing, so which is equivalent to follow of S, right? So this is the follow calculation thing for this production rules. Now this one again, A, B, C, D. Here we are having four things. Follow of S, obviously dollar, and there is no presence of S, only dollar. Now follow of A, how it can be calculated? Check presence of A. A is present here, A is present here. If we take this A, follow of A, that is again we should calculate follow of A. So there is no meaning of taking this A. So we will take this A. Follow of A is small b. That's all. Okay. Now follow of B. How can we calculate follow of B? Check the presence. Small a is there. That's all. That is, we are calculating the first of these elements. Every following elements first we are calculating, that's all. So this is done, this is done. Now this is the most important example that you should understand. Now let's calculate E, follow of E. So here S is not there. You don't consider wherever S is there, that is only start symbol. Check the productions, how the sequence is given. So how the sequence is generated. So basing upon that you decide which is the start symbol. So this is the start symbol here. Okay, so T E dash, T E dash, how this can be? So follow of E, follow of E, check the presence of E here. E is present here, so follow of E is this symbol. So first of this symbol is that self only, so we got this one as one thing, but don't proceed, don't proceed. Now check follow of E. Okay, this is only the case. Check twice and proceed. Now